Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Yasha Gaming. If you're new to the channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button, okay? And also ring that bell notification. Alright. So in this tutorial, guys, today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna keep getting Adobe Premiere Pro for free. Okay, you don't have to subscribe. So I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna go straight into the point of view, and I'm gonna show you the tricks. What you need to do. Every 15 days you'll have to do the same trick, okay, the same trick, and it's gonna work beautifully. All right, okay, so yeah, let's freaking do it. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you wanna visit this adobe.in. Shit, not this, adobe.com/in. All right, adobe.com/in. You wanna let the page to load. So you wanna click on, wait, what is that? I don't see it. On. So marketing devices. Okay. Special offers. Let's go to a special offers, and right here, if it detects your location, so I'm gonna keep it on India. Okay. You're gonna see a lot of stuff like this for a limited time. You wanna get this. So I have to find the correct link for you guys. Okay. So let me see. Okay. Alright, so you're gonna get this right here. Okay, and you're gonna click on start free trial, and right here, guys, now this one, so you're gonna choose business. Okay, in business, if you don't see themes, so then as you can see, if I go to student and teachers, now it's asking me to pay, but there's no themes. Okay, so unless you're in USA or whatever, so I'm not using, I'm not using any kind of VPN neither. Okay, I'm not using any kind of VPN. So I'm gonna show you that this thing will work 100%. Okay, so what I'm gonna click business, and then as you can see right here, it says 14-day trial, no credit card required. So I'm gonna select this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit continue. All right, so I'm gonna click this one, and then I'm gonna hit continue. Right here, if it asks you for a business email, I mean, just fill in this detail. Okay, so once you fill in your information, it will prompt you to enter a password. So just create a password, and as you can see right here, I'm just gonna fake this or whatever. All right, and I'm gonna hit create account. Okay, so this is gonna send me a link, okay, to my Hotmail. So all I gotta do is to grab my phone and verify this. It's gonna send me a OTP code. All I gotta do is to put that OTP code, and I'm good to go. Okay, and make sure that as well, I'm gonna show you. Okay, let me verify this. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna enter this code right in front of you. Okay, so this ain't fake, so yeah, you cannot say that this video is fake or not, because I'm entering that code. Oh my god, 0 this 1 6. Yeah, as you can see, verification successful. Okay, verification successful. Okay, so once you get right here, it says we're setting up your trial. All right, and as you can see, you're gonna see a green thing like this. Thank you, Keshav, your free trial is right good. And now, if you don't have Adobe Creative Cloud or the apps, you can click download here, but since I don't need that, I'm just gonna fire up this. All right, and make sure right here, if you have any previous account, guys, in Premiere Pro, if you have any previous account, make sure that you click sign out and click sign out once again. All right, now start this thing back. Okay, start Adobe Premiere Pro back. It's gonna prompt you to log in. Okay, now just log in with that account that we've just created. What was it? Oh hell, I don't even know my own email. My God. Alright, hotmail.com. Alright. And boom. Let's see, guys. Alright. Boom. As you can see, now I can create a new project. I can give this as anything. Rename your project name. I'm gonna go to my downloads. What is that? This, and then I'm gonna hit import button. This thing, I don't know what this thing is in. Okay, yeah, so far so good. Alright guys, yeah, so yeah, this is it guys. So this is how you do it. Okay, so yes, you can use temp mail as well. Temp mail, every 15 days you gotta sign out and repeat the same steps. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Okay.